In this lesson, we're going to start working with the place order endpoint. So just open this place order endpoint inside the Postman. There you can see that this is a post request, and this request will take the following data in JSON format. When the request is successful, then we'll get the JSON data in the response body. So basically this endpoint is similar to the login endpoint. Let me show you how we can create a method for this endpoint. First of all, let's dive into the Visual Studio. There, let's copy this add items in cart method. And paste it here. Now let's rename this method to place order. And this method will take an order object. Then in the serialize method, let's pass this order. Now let's copy the URL of this endpoint and paste it here. Now I want to tell you that this request will return the JSON response for order ID. Let me show you how we can read this JSON inside our method. So simply go to the login method. There you can see that we have used this line to read the JSON result. And we have also used this line to convert the JSON into C# properties according to the token class. What I'm going to do is, I'll copy these two lines of code. And then inside the place order method, simply paste this code. Now first of all, let's remove this token class because we want to convert the JSON according to the properties of order response class. So we will pass order response here. Also, this place order endpoint will return the order response. So we will make the return type of this method to task of order response. Alright, that's all from this method. Now I will see you in the next lesson.